Algebra 1, Unit 10 Test Review, Problem 1. Factor completely. If it won't factor, then write prime. That's pretty unusual. Problem 1. 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x. We check for two things. We check for a greatest common coefficient factor. Here we have 2, 2, and 2. And we check for a greatest common variable factor. X, X, X. So our greatest common factor is 2x. What is the next step? What do I multiply 2x by to get 2x cubed? X squared. Negative 4x squared divided by 2x would be negative 2x. And how do I factor 2x? 2x times what gives me 2x? Oh, that would be 1. Am I done? Probably not. Can I factor x squared minus 2x plus 1? Well, yes I can. 2x. We know we're going to have two binomials. X times x gives me x squared. Are my signs going to be the same? Or are they going to be different? My signs are going to be the same because this is positive. The only way to multiply terms together and get a positive result is if they match. They're either both positive or both negative. Are my signs going to be both positive or both negative? This is negative, so I am suspecting that both signs will be negative. The only factors of 1 are 1. Let's double check and make sure that I'm correct. X times x is x squared. If I expand this, x times x is x squared minus x is minus 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. So yes, I factored that correctly. If I multiply times 2x, 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. Excellent. Let's look quickly at problem 2. Problem 2. 5 is prime, 3 is prime, so I have two variables, and I am switching to a pencil. What gives me 5u squared? The only possibilities are 5u and u. What will give me 3v squared? The only possibilities are 3v and v. Are my signs going to match? Or are they going to be different? This is positive, so my signs have to match. This is negative, so I suspect my signs are both going to be negative. 5u times u is 5u squared. Negative 3v times u is negative 3vu. Negative v times 5u is negative 5vu. Negative 3v times negative v is plus 3v squared. I combine like terms, and negative 3vu minus 5vu is negative 8vu. Excellent. I got it right the first time. Sometimes what happens is we put the coefficients in the wrong place, and then when we expand and do the multiplication, it doesn't work out so well. But this time I got lucky and everything worked out well. We check by multiplying our factors together to make sure we get the original equation.